Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What is your husband's name?
His name is Peter.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
How old are they?
They are 6 and 9.
What are their names?
Emma and Lucas.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love them very much.
Do you live in a house or flat?
I live in a flat.
Is it big?
It is medium-sized.
How many rooms do you have?
We have 4 rooms.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, we have a small balcony.
What floor do you live on?
We live on the 3rd floor.
Is there a lift?
Yes, there is.
Do you like your flat?
Yes, I like it very much.
Is your neighborhood quiet?
Yes, it is quite quiet.
Do you have nice neighbors?
Yes, they are friendly.
Do you want to move?
No, I am happy here.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use my phone alarm.
Do you wake up easily?
No, it is difficult for me.
Do you get up immediately?
No, I stay in bed for 5 minutes.
Does your husband wake up early?
Yes, he wakes up at 6.
Do your children wake up alone?
No, I wake them up.
What time do they wake up?
They wake up at 7.
Are they happy in the morning?
Not always.
Do you open the curtains?
Yes, I open them first.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, every morning.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a quick shower.
Do you wash your hair every day?
No, every 2 days.
Do you use hot water?
I use warm water.
How long is your shower?
About 5 minutes.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, after breakfast.
Do you use mouthwash?
Yes, I do.
Do you comb your hair?
Yes, I comb and style it.
Do you use a hair dryer?
Yes, every morning.
Do you put on makeup?
Yes, a little.
How long does it take?
About 10 minutes.
Where are your clothes?
They are in the wardrobe.
Do you choose clothes the night before?
Sometimes I do.
What do you usually wear?
I wear a blouse and trousers.
Do you like dresses?
Yes, I love them.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you wear jewelry?
Yes, I wear earrings.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, always.
What shoes do you wear to work?
I wear comfortable heels.
Do you wear perfume?
Yes, every day.
Do you like your style?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, always.
What time do you have breakfast?
At 7 o'clock.
Where do you eat breakfast?
In the kitchen.
What do you usually eat?
I eat yogurt and fruit.
Do you eat bread?
Yes, sometimes toast.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
How do you take your tea?
With milk and honey.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we eat together.
Who makes breakfast?
I make it.
How long does breakfast take?
About 20 minutes.
Do you wake your children?
Yes, at 7 o'clock.
Do they get up quickly?
Not always.
Do they take showers?
Yes, short ones.
Do they dress themselves?
Yes, they do.
Do they eat breakfast?
Yes, cereal and milk.
Do they like school?
Yes, they enjoy it.
What time do they leave for school?
At 7:30.
How do they get to school?
They walk with my husband.
Is the school far?
No, it is 10 minutes away.
Do you kiss them goodbye?
Yes, always.
What time do you leave home?
At 8 o'clock.
How do you get to work?
I take the metro.
Is the station near your home?
Yes, 5 minutes away.
How long is your journey?
About 25 minutes.
Is the metro crowded?
Yes, in the morning.
Do you sit or stand?
I usually stand.
What do you do on the metro?
I listen to podcasts.
Do you read on the metro?
Sometimes I read.
What time do you arrive at work?
At 8:30.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
What is your job?
I am an accountant.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How long do you work there?
For 4 years.
Is your office big?
Yes, quite big.
Do you have your own desk?
Yes, I do.
Do you work on a computer? Yes, all day. Is your boss nice?
Yes, she is kind.
Do you have many colleagues?
Yes, about 15.
Do you get along with them?
Yes, very well.
What do you do at work?
I check financial reports.
Do you answer emails?
Yes, many emails.
How many emails do you get?
About 40 a day.
Do you make phone calls?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you attend meetings?
Yes, 2 or 3 a week.
Do you take notes?
Yes, I always take notes.
Do you work in a team?
Yes, with 5 people.
Do you have deadlines?
Yes, often.
Is your job stressful?
Sometimes.
Do you enjoy your tasks?
Yes, mostly.
Do you have a morning break?
Yes, at 11.
How long is it?
15 minutes.
What do you do?
I drink tea and chat.
Do you have a coffee machine?
Yes, in the kitchen.
Do you bring snacks?
Sometimes.
Do you check your phone?
Yes, briefly.
Do you talk to colleagues?
Yes, we chat.
Do you rest your eyes?
Yes, I look away from the screen.
Does the break help?
Yes, very much.
What time is lunch?
At 1 o'clock.
How long is your lunch break?
1 hour.
Where do you eat?
In the cafeteria.
Do you bring food from home?
Sometimes.
What do you usually eat?
Salad and soup.
Do you eat with colleagues?
Yes, with 2 friends.
Do you buy lunch?
Yes, usually.
How much does it cost?
About €8.
Do you drink water?
Yes, always.
Do you go for a walk after lunch?
Sometimes, if the weather is nice.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I continue my work.
Are you tired after lunch?
A little bit.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, 1 cup.
Do you have afternoon meetings?
Sometimes.
What time do you finish work?
At 5 o'clock.